Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I am running around my house decorating. I have another wonderful decorating tip for you. So if you want to see what I have in store, then just stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Let's get to it.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess, it's you.
All right guys, well I just came back from Lowe's. I already see 3 places where I want to put the shade. And this again was $34.99, but surprisingly this was on sale, so I went on and got this for my bedroom. And one of the reasons that I got this is because this matched the material on my headboard, and this hole right here seems to be smaller. So I'm going to see if I can get this up here and put all of the other stuff back up there how it was before. That way, when I'm tired of looking at it like this, I can just unscrew it and, put it back. I hope this works. Now that I'm thinking about it, I hope this works. Let me go put it on, then I'll show you how it looks. Oh, I got to get that down. Okay, guys. Now, this is my bedroom, and that is my ceiling fan. I have started, unscrewing it. So what I'm gonna try to do is see if this shade is gonna fit up there. While I'm doing this, guys, hit the share, like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Also, guys, thumbs up this video, because you guys are the reason my channel is growing, and I appreciate you so much. Okay, so the thing is off. The shade is off. Now, guys, I'm going to see if I can transform this. Alright, guys, this is how the shade is looking. Because the inside of the shade do not go deep, then I can't get it closer to the fan blades. I had to put I can't turn it backwards. So, because the inside is like that, I can only put it on the correct way. See that? I can only put it on the correct way. But I want to turn this shade upside down. I want to turn it upside down so it can be more flush to the ceiling fan blades. So the only way that I can do that is to extend the nipple on the inside, and then I'll be able to put that anywhere I want to put it, or I can use zip ties. But I think I just want to see if it's going to look good in the room. And other than that, I think I'm going to take it back. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. I have to leave enough clearance so that it won't, ooh, look at that. I have to leave enough clearance so that it won't hit the shade. Well, the fan. So I have to figure out how I am going to do this. I want it that way. I don't want it that way. I got to have it upside down on here. Well, guys, it's up there. I just need it up there enough to see if this is something that I like. Okay, so it's up there. Let me turn the light off. Now, to tell you the truth, guys, it's not bad, but it ain't good. You know what I'm saying? It's not a bad looking shade at all right up there. But it's not giving me the wow factor, so I won't leave it there. All right, guys, well, I have the shade on here, and I got mixed feelings about it because my room is not that bohemian boho look, although I do have a basket in my room to match that. See if I can lift it up. I do have a basket in my room to match that. So I'm sort of torn, guys. So now, guys, I'm about to take this shade off, and then I'm going to put it on the lampshade downstairs where I have a modern boho thing. So, guys, I have basket things everywhere, and that is my mixture of modern boho look. All right, guys, we are downstairs, and here are my two lamps. This is the way that the lamp originally came, you know, with the bulb on it. But, like I said, I bought this shade. Look how pretty that shade is. I bought this shade to go different places in my house, and this is how it's going to look with this shade on it. So, you put it on like that, and it's, I don't know. Tell me what you think, guys. Which one looked better? I really need you guys' opinion. Because if it looks good like this, then that means I will have to go buy another one and for the lamp over there. This lampshade gave this lamp a whole new life. That is the way the lamp looked before, and this is the way it looks after, and I absolutely love it. I think it's beautiful. But I have to be sure, guys, because if I'm not, then I'll be having a lot of lampshades that I don't have anything to do with them. All right, guys, we are in my kitchen, and this is the light that I want to put the shade on over my window because I am decorating my window in my kitchen now, and I have some really pretty ideas to show you guys how to decorate your window. You know, it's different than how everybody would do it. So here's the shade, and it will go like this over my kitchen sink. Now, I can either do it either way, but right now it's not working out for me, but this is where it will go. I don't know if that's too large to go there, but that is my idea, guys. So what do you think? All right, guys, so those are the three places that I want to put this beautiful lampshade that I got from Lowe's for $34.99. Well, guys, thanks for spending this time with me. You have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And guys, let me tell you this. I really do appreciate you watching my videos. You guys are the reason why my channel is growing. So stay tuned for the next video. Know that I appreciate you guys. And guess what? I'll talk to you next time. Mwah.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.